Hey all, good afternoon. Today, actually, I'm going to discuss about K6 performance testing, and this is the K6 is a tool for performance which is linked by Grafana, and uh, today I'll go ahead the little more into it and just give you an overview how to initiate a small script, one-liner script in K6 that need to be taken care. So let me share the screen. Hope you all are able to see my screen. Getting started with K6 and Grafana installation to reporting. Master performance testing from setup to visualization. This comprehensive guide walks you through installing K6, integrating with Grafana, writing your first load test script, and analyzing the result. So this is all about whatever we are going to learn today. So to install Grafana, sorry, K6, we have like few setups. If you will go to the package manager installation, the fastest way to get started with K6 using your system package manager, that is if you are using Mac operating system, then give the command like view install K6. If window, give chocolate installation K6. If you are into Linux, give apt install K6 or download the libraries. For more detail, here the link of K6IO document is there. You can go ahead and uh, check in the document in detail. Then Docker alternative, if you are prefer to go ahead with Docker, then then K6 directly you can go to Docker run -rm -i Grafana K6, then which version you want, just go ahead and install this package. So for a overview, let me tell you in Windows specific how you will go ahead. I have another document, let me show you that one as well for the guidance, then we'll. Yes, if we'll go ahead with operator, you can put this is bundle helm make file cdr operator. Let me. So installing installation of K6 from command prompt for Windows version, you need to put CMD. Then actually I have already installed. I'm just showing you. Put open this and make it a command line and put this command. So wind install K6 hyphen hyphen source winget. Once you done, it will process the processor run downloading the Grafana Lab K6 version 1.4 from this MSI, and it will be successfully installed and it will come out. So this is all about installation. Then if we'll go ahead, so here it is this command is given for Choco, but I have taken the other one, so that is there. Then after that, how to starting a K6 script in Grafana. For that, I choose the Grafana setup. So if you'll go ahead and check in my, this is the Grafana setup, whatever I have done for my project. And if you'll go ahead and create a new project, let's see. I am in practice project and I want to go ahead with a new script. Create new. It will come and here it is like which prompt you want to run it. It is going to ask. Though I am already using Grafana, so I am putting going to choose script editor. And once you come here in the script editor, I have it is automatic getting generated. This is the basic steps. What is this? Import sleep and here import. You can put check from sleep also. And if you will go ahead and check what is the meaning of this one. It is like import check and sleep from K6 validation and fetching utilities. It will give like whatever the data you are entering that is get checked, and whatever the sleep time fetching you are given that you need to be understand. Then here if you will go ahead with the other line, it is asking like HTTP from K6 HTTP. So that is the meaning of like HTTP request module for API testing. Then this export constant option is test the configuration like virtual user duration and whatever threshold you are giving. All the details you'll go, and export default function maintain the logic executed by the virtual user. Here you will give the function like whatever the response you are getting and whatever the status code you want to understand that need to be get detail. Then run the script and let me whatever the script is already there in my bucket. We need to change it here little. I put check, then here constant option stages is given. I'm just put removing all these. I'm going to design a simple like code which already I mentioned in this script. Yeah, this is let me go ahead and put this virtual user and these things here. Then main function quick features grafana dot let take this and URL only getting changed. So let me go to here. whatever the functions they want to check. Let me copy this one and what it is. Constant response here, let response it is given. So let I'm commenting my code this K6IO. I'm putting Grafana or here whatever the side you want to hit. Let's see, I'm putting here google.com and here the response. I'll put here the response. Okay, and this is response you need to get to 200. Then the status is equal to 200. If you want to get the okay, let's go ahead with this. You can also add like whatever the response time, it is greater than or less than, or what are the latency you are going to get it. You can get it from here, but let me go ahead with the simple. It is there has no error. It is still imperfect. So let me create and run. If you are able to see, it is going to finalize the test. The execution is keep running, and yeah, it is got finished. You will get the finish. Virtual user Pogawa 1 and 10 virtual user we are, and it is the location Columbus it is getting executed. And what are the version is the fast version, and what is the test script it is given. And here the performance of view. Here the request made, he 78 request false pick RPS, and that is there. And if you will go ahead the downside, here you will get like whatever the APIs you have hit, what are the count, and whatever the output they got. So this is the detail. If you want to like go ahead detail, just expand on clicking the URL, and you will get to know all the details about your execution. And a request per second, check out everything is here. Let's see. So this is uh, the all about how you are going to execute your script and how it is given, and as per the rule, whatever we given, it is going 200. Okay, so there has no issue. Mm, so this is overall the details. Apart from that, if you'll go ahead one ahead back, Then you will get all the finishes, like all the details, like started at 4 January 1243. HTTP response time we are checking. Aggregation has been lying in 95%. Value 79.7 millisecond, and virtual user we use 10. Duration it went for 30 seconds. And whatever the test run we have done, score is 100%. Virtual user per hour is 1, and test run on 4th of January, and all the remaining detail. So this you can get, and if you want to edit or modify on your script, you just come to the project, how many project you have already created, that should be get reflected over here. So click on these three dots, and if you want to read on the test, go ahead, customize the trend you want to do. If you want to delete, you can delete, select. And configuration, if you will go here, I you can change the configuration as well. And hmm, here in options, if you want to go ahead with stages, also you can put stages, like somewhere you want for 5 second, 3 minutes. Let me check. I have that code or not. Control Z, stages. That I'll bring in another video. So this is all about like how you need to go ahead and check the minimal, like status code of the application, and it is running for 10 virtual user with 30 seconds. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.